Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to create a product on Lemon Squeezy, and then once we create that product, I'm going to show you how to connect that link onto your website. So right here we'll go back on our Lemon Squeezy page, we'll go to products. So if you go to store, click on products, and now you could click the plus button right here on the top right, and we'll create a new product. I already created this product on Gumroad, so I'm just going to copy over all the information from over here. And usually I do this because I always create my products first on Gumroad, and then I'll go ahead and copy and paste all the information over to all the other platforms like Lemon Squeezy and Etsy, my website, or uh, other marketplaces. So right here on the top, we put the name of the product, and then we're gonna put the description. So which I'm just copying and pasting. We'll put the spacing so it looks a little bit cleaner. Okay. Put a little space right there. So now we got our description for this product. Now let's go to the next part. For this one, it's going to be a lead magnet. So it's going to be free right here, allow access for free. But if you wanted to charge for it, you could select one of these other options like single payment, and you'll change the price right here. All right, so we're going to make this lead magnet free. Tax category, digital goods or service, which does not include an ebook. So this is not an ebook. Media files. This is the images you create for your product. So you just click into this one and you'll go ahead and add the images. This is a 1280 by 720 image. And if you notice, it has a star right here. So what that means is it's the main image or the thumbnail. That's not going to be the thumbnail I want. So I'm going to go ahead and choose a different one. Okay, so for the thumbnail, oh, we got an error. Okay, so I fixed it. What I had to do was drag the images onto this box. For some reason, it wasn't working the other way. So this one has a star, which means this is the thumbnail. But I want this bottom image to be the thumbnail. So we're going to set that as a thumbnail. You could also move it up. And if you ever wanted to like take off one of these images, you could just hit the toggle, which will remove the image from the product page. So there we go. We got our two images. Files. Files are for things like ebooks and PDFs and stuff like that. You're gonna probably be sending like SVG files or docx files or something like that. This is gonna be a Notion template, so that's gonna be a link. So for me, I'm just gonna skip this file part. Variants, if you want to add different version. Settings, we'll skip settings, but right here, display product on storefront. So whenever people visit my Lemon Squeezy storefront, which is practically never, they'll see the products for they'll see all the products I have listed on my store. So confirmation model. The confirmation model is when people actually purchase your product, they're gonna get like a little pop-up screen, a modal, and they'll see this message: thank you for your order, woohoo, your payment was successful. You could customize this to whatever you want, so you could change the title and you could change the message to something that fits your brand. And then also a button will pop up, so we could I'm gonna go ahead and change that to access guide, and then the link. So whenever they click that button, they're gonna get sent to a link right here. Okay, so now I have the Notion template link. Now when they click that button, they'll get directed straight to that template. And now for the email receipt, they'll also get an email receipt with a thank you note. So if you want to customize a thank you note right here, you could add something or you could leave it blank. I personally like to add one. It's gonna just be the same message pretty much for all the templates. So here goes my message. They'll get that inside of their email. They'll also get another button to access the template. So I'll go ahead and customize it again. Something simple. And then I'll add the Notion link right here. All right, now the link is attached. So we'll go ahead and publish product saved. All right, so now let's go back to the top and we want to preview this. So let's go up here, click the three little buttons, so three little circles, preview. And now you got your landing page. So you got your two images, one, two. You could add more if you want to, but I only put two on this one. You got the description. You can make it longer or you could keep it shorter. And then they got their call to action right here where they add their email, submit order, and it'll get that pop-up modal. So now that we're done with that, we're going to want to share this link. This is the part where we're going to link it to the website. So let's get this checkout link or checkout overlay. I prefer the checkout link for my website. So store logo, show product media. You could just hit these toggles on and off to see what they do. So depending on what toggles you have, it's going to change the code just a little bit. So I'm going to take off the logo, take off the discount code. I'll leave the description, but this is what it'll look like without description. All right, there we go. So let's copy this link and go to our website. So for our website, I'm going to use Framer. I'm going to go towards the bottom of my website. I already created the pages too. I already created two other ones earlier, but I figured I'd show you guys on this one. So right here on this free download button, I'm going to click that and come to this right side. Let's make this a little bit larger. All right, so now we'll go to the link section towards the bottom. I'm going to delete that link and add another link. There we go. So now we have the link attached, and you could choose to either send them to a new tab or not a new tab. I'm going to click yes to a new tab. So the next thing we want to do is test the link. So let's go preview this template or this website, this new link we created. So we'll come down here towards the bottom, made with Notion. Okay, so it was this one right here. It should send us to that checkout page. Boom, there it is. So let's go test it one more time. It should be the same result. So there you go. So now whenever people click into your website and they want to buy this or download this free template, they'll just click this button and it'll send them to this checkout page. In order to change that once again, I'm going to show you. I don't know why it keeps getting smaller. All right, so right here, we're going to click on the button. You come all the way down to the link section, and that's where you add your link. So that's how you go. That's how you create a product in Lemon Squeezy, and then you link it to your website, and then you just test it to see if it actually does send them to your checkout page. That's how you do it.